Most people don't realize you can build your own agent inside Notion. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple custom agent that can help you with content generation. For example, I use these to generate content ideas. First of all, you need to go to Notion and search for Notion AI. Here you will have a new button that will say create a new agent. Click on it. Now we need to define the agent, or you can just ask it to generate an agent for you. Let's write the prompt here. I'm going to say it. You are a content strategist. Your job is to generate high-quality content ideas. For each idea, provide a catchy title, strong hook, who will be informed first, let's say, in the first 5 seconds. Then, a short script outline, which I will like in bullet points. Then I will add an additional instruction that will keep it engaging and simple. So this is how you can write and give a prompt, and it will auto-generate your idea. So it has given this agent a name. You can change them as well. Let's see how it is making it. Then we can adjust the settings later on. We need to wait for a bit here. So it has been created. Now we need to save this agent. Before moving into the settings, let's try it out. So I'm going to ask it to give me 5 YouTube ideas about productivity. So it's generating ideas. So the first idea you get is the title, the 10-minute productivity set. Do this when you want to. And it's giving a hook that is saying, if your brain feels like 37 tabs are open, do this for 10 minutes and you'll feel back in control. And the outlines are explained. The worm signal and why pushing hydrofoils. Step 1, brain dump everything onto paper. Step 2, circle the one thing that makes today a win. Step 3 is set. The first micro step is a real example of how you choose the one thing. So this is how it has generated 5 ideas, and you can use them to generate content. Now let's move into the settings and let's see how we can trigger it. So with Run Agent, we can trigger it now. Also, we can trigger it when it is mentioned. Means in any of your Notion pages you go, by mentioning the generative ideas, it will auto-generate them. Now, instruction is very important. It is the basic organization of innovation, customization, and how it will respond. So you can see here how it has given the flow and styling as well. You can change them, set it up like the bolded things, like it, and it will generate those changes from the new prompt, but I want to update this prompt. So I will say, let's make it better by giving it, make the ideas more viral and relatable. Focus on beginners, use simple language. You see, the bold changes we have made have been applied, and it is given more virality and relatability and beginner friendliness, ideal generation. So let's say, now I like the idea 5, and let's expand this into a full script. Now it is generating the full script. This is how you can use it for your content generation. You can also set up access, like who I want to watch it. So if you have a marketing team and very different other teams, so you can assign them to your marketing team spaces as well. And also, there are various models available for your basic tasks. You can choose the ones that are the lowest. For now, Notion is giving free usage of Notion customization until May 3rd, 2026. So let's try this out with your team and see how it's being fitted. Another thing is you can change your agent name, like this. You can also customize how it should look. So this is a very simple video about how you can create a Notion of a custom agent, and you can try it out with your teams. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you found this helpful, follow Camel Tech for more system design insights. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around, and thank you for watching.